guys, this is my first vlog ever. First, I'm gonna introduce myself. My name is Anthony. I'm from Puerto Vallarta. I'm a local here. I've been living here for like 17 years, coming back and forth, all spots in Mexico. And today we're gonna go visit some waterfalls in a town called El Nogalito. El Nogalito is known to be a small town within the ratio of Puerto Vallarta. It's like 15 minutes from the downtown, the old town center, and there you find a beautiful waterfall. So check it out.
Oh, 1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shine bright.
La Casi!
I breathe to seem to whisper. Sycamore tree. Dream a little dreamer.
Look at this beautiful river running down the stream. Even though it rained a lot during these days, the river still stays crystal clear, clean. So right now, we're gonna start going way up the river. Get it, bro? Woo! Alright guys, here we are. We're not gonna make it up to the waterfall because it's like 1 hour and it's already like 7 p.m. So it's gonna go dark very soon. But look at this. We got to this beautiful pond. You can come here any day. Just walk like 10 minutes from El Nogalito. Just river up and you get to this. Look at that beautiful spot. Right, Brandon?
Yes, bro.
Let's Water is so nice. It's gorgeous here. You guys should definitely check this place out if you have one free day in Puerto Vallarta. Woo! Alright guys, we just came back from the waterfall. We're going down. We're going down to the street. So we're gonna go watch the sunset in a little bit. Alright?
Time to enjoy the moment, man.
Enjoy the moment, that's right.
That's right.
Look at this beautiful spot. Good friends, what else do we need? Alright guys, so this was today's adventure with my friend Brandon and the other friend in the car, 𝐏𝐻𝐿. Follow me for more videos. I'm gonna be uploading more in the next few weeks. Alright, peace out guys.